Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you some ways on how you can fix Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later for iPhone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So there are some ways that you can fix it, but there are some ways which you cannot fix it because it has a technical issue inside your phone. So the first one being very common is that your Face ID, like let's say your iPhone X or maybe iPhone 11, mainly this issue is on iPhone X where your Face ID stops working. What you can do is just simply change the camera and your sensor, whatever it is, it will get replaced and your Face ID will start working. But if you're experiencing this on newer iPhones, it might be a issue for like screen changing because mostly cameras rely on your screens. So just change your screen and this might fix it. But sometimes your screen protector or your camera has a lot of dirt on it and it will say Face ID is not available. So just make sure you deep clean your screen and your camera area. But after that, what you can do is just go to your Face ID and passcode section and just simply make sure that iPhone unlock is turned on, this option right over here, and just make sure that all these options are turned on as I have for my Face ID. So once these options are turned on, you're good to go. But you just need to make sure that you update your phone if it's not showing it like that. You just need to go to general and then software update and check for updates. If it got any update, just simply update your phone, and in the end just simply restart your device and you're good to go after that. So yeah, thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.